So, all right, so that's flipping. Let's talk a little bit about wholesaling. It's a similar setup, but kind of different. When you're wholesaling in general, you're wholesaling to another investor, right? So a few things. You kind of have to follow the same model, right? If you follow the model we just talked about, let's say there's $30,000 in equity that the investor can make. Well, that means you got to get your fee in there somehow, right? If an investor wants to make that, you either have to get the property, instead of buying it at 100, you got to buy it at 90 or 95 in order to make a $5,000 or $10,000 difference, arbitrage on it, or you got to find an investor who's willing to take a smaller spread or smaller margin. So you still need to understand the exact same skill set of how to underwrite a deal. You just have to buy it that much better in order to leave enough room for the investor. But I will tell you that in general, that's one way to look at it. But the other way to look at it as a wholesale deal is understanding what investors are willing to pay. And sometimes that's difficult unless you have experience.